What's up, guys? This is Hester. I'm showing you how to put it back here. So I'm gonna set up a scenario. You're in your house and you just got done cleaning the whole house with a vacuum cleaner. What do you do from here? Well, the first thing you do is if you have it plugged up into an outlet, first thing you want to do is unplug it. And then you want to wrap it.
How's it in the hallway?
Do
You vacuum your room?
yeah.
Alright. When the floor dryer here, you remember how I told you the same thing?
Yeah.
Okay. Use the round cylinder bottle, okay?
All right.
It should be at that. It should be at the front. I put the sponge on the sink, okay?
All right.
Me, I paint the White House black.
What?
Hello?
On the floor. And then
Hello?
what do you do?
I ain't see it yet.
Yeah, no last one. Here's what you can do. You can either put it here, or you can cross it over to the other side and put it on anyone's feet. It'll still hold. And that is how you, and then you can just put it up like so. Just going like put it up. And put it But that's how you do it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe. Push that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.